Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for air sign Libra, your person current feelings for the remaining month of May. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's first see your person current feelings, later their intentions towards you. So your person current feelings towards you, Libra, air sign. Libra, your person current feelings. Okay, let's see your person current feelings right now. Seven of Cups, Justice, Page of Pentacles. Right now your person fantasizing about you a lot. I am getting for some your person have lot of options in their life, but he will choose you definitely because the justice is here. For some your person fantasizing about you a lot, they want to reconcile with you, definitely justice, definitely Libra. Definitely you Libra here. Page of Pentacles, definitely you want to offer this Page of Pentacle to you. Definitely right now your person want to reconcile with you and asking for seeing for second chance. So their intentions towards you, let's see. So based on intentions they will take actions towards you based upon completely on your situation. So they may take action or may not. So let's see their intentions towards you. Ooh. Okay. So let's see their intentions. Libra, Ten of Pentacles, Six of Wands, Hierophant. Wow. Definitely they want stability with you. They want stability in this connection and they want success with you. And Hierophant, it is a commitment card. They want to marry you definitely, or they want to commit to you. So definitely they want those who are in separation, they your person want reconcile with you. Those who are not in separation, they want to take your relationship to next level, that is commitment, that is marriage, whatever you are looking for definitely. And your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of earth energies also here, or water energy, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So definitely this is very positive reading for you Libra. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Lot of cards. Okay, Six of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, and the final card, Seven of Swords. Definitely in past there is separation for some, definitely walking away from the situation. I already told you there is separation, and there is some also sneaky energy, but it is transforming right now because Knight of Pentacle, it is slow but steady, and it is stable offer. Definitely you both have strong soulmate and past life connections between both of you. That's why your person want this connection, this stability and success with you, and he want to commit to you. So definitely it is coming, but it is slow. So patience and balance is needed in this situation. So definitely your person wants success and he want to offer stability in this connection. So this is the reading for you Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.